Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by ensuring the basics are set so captions can appear. First, open the video and click the CC or settings icon to force captions on. This tells YouTube to load subtitle tracks. Next, sign into your account and verify auto captions are allowed in your playback settings so generated captions display. Once done, update your browser or app and clear cache and cookies to remove stale data that can block subtitle files. These steps prepare the player to request subtitles correctly. Now force the player to fetch fresh subtitle files so you can diagnose missing tracks. Press Shift plus reload or clear the browser's service worker and site data to remove cached responses. This makes the player re-request caption manifests. Then test the same video on a different device or the YouTube mobile app. If captions appear there, the problem is local to one client. Also inspect the video's caption sources, community, uploaded SRT, or auto-generated, because some types may be disabled by the uploader or not yet processed. Finish by eliminating remaining environmental causes so subtitles load reliably. Turn off browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and try incognito mode. These often block subtitle requests. If using the app, reinstall it or update device firmware to fix playback bugs. Finally, switch networks or enable a VPN because some ISPs cache old player assets that omit captions. If subtitles still fail, contact the channel owner to confirm caption upload status or wait. Auto captions can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.